Yo, what's up everybody? Today is day 8 of the lockdown and tonight we're gonna build a tent out of these couches. Jacob, come here, you want an intro? My intro sucked.
We're gonna make a tent. And give this blog a thumbs up and 100 hearts and 100 YouTubes and send us a letter. Okay, guys? Okay, let's get started.
You ready now?
Also, let's get Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Also, start it here.
Okay, start right here.
Oh. Daddy, can you help us make a tent?
Sure, I can help you make a tent.
Yeah.
Let's make a tent. We got the couches set up and now we're gonna go get a stand for the blankets. Work. I got all these clips right here and we're gonna hang these curtains on that light stand.
What are you doing?
Got some Christmas lights and I'm gonna hang them up on our tent.
Guys, we put on the Christmas lights on the tent. Okay.
It's time to show what we made.
Turn off all the lights, please.
There you go.
I'll keep that light on.
So that's our tent right there.
What happened to the lights up here? Oh. What happened to the tent?
That's the design of it.
Jesse, you got a flashlight?
I don't know. Your light.
Here, try this. We'll switch lights later.
Spooky story. One day, a kid named Jacob, he went in the forest alone. And he was searching for internet, but there was none.
Oh, that is a scary story.
Jasmine, start. Okay.
What time is Halloween?
One time it was Halloween.
Once upon a time,
Halloween.
in a Halloween,
A ghost! Last time the blue bulb, then it was Sonic the Hedgehog, and he saw a friend named Dory. Then he saw Cowboy. Just Cowboy.
Just Cowboy and that's it?
No.
and
And he saw.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a contest who has the scariest laugh. Good.
Jasmine.
Your turn. Pretty good. That's Mommy's turn. First, you gotta hold the flashlight just right. See that right there? Looks kind of scary, right? Did you hit your foot on this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's. Oh,
Day 8 is done. See you tomorrow. Good night.
I'm going downstairs.
Wait, there's something over there.
Again! I'm scared! I'm a daddy! It's really gross!
Oh, you win, okay? You win the contest. You win the contest. You tricked us.
And we're gonna make surprise. If I jump it down, we're gonna make the biggest. Yo guys, we have a bad boy up here, and his name is Sashi.
Wait, what are you kids doing?
We're doing a parkour.
What?
Parkour.
You call that parkour?
Yeah.
Move out the way.
Oh!
In your face.
Joshua!
What? I nailed it! Hello. Oh, look at this horrible kid.
This is camping in 2020.
For Daddy Pig,
He was a baby. He was a baby. Then he was a.
is color.
Did you get scared?
Yeah. Why did you do that?
Because I'm a tricky dad.